Okay, we're going to do a second example of factoring by MFDARM. Once again, M stands for multiply the AC term, F is factor, DA is divide by A, R is reduce, and M is move. So the first thing we're going to do, since we do not have a 1 for the A term, we have something other than 1, we're going to take the product of A times C. In this case, 2 times 12 is going to end up being 24. So that's our AC term. That takes care of the M in MFDARM. The next thing we're going to do is factor. So I'm going to factor the 24, 24 and 1, 12 and 2, 8 and 3, 6 and 4. So now I've taken care of the first part of the factoring. Now what I have to determine is, what is the value of my C term? My C term is negative. That means that I'm going to find the difference of all of these factors. So I've got 23, 10, 5, and 2. Once I've done with this, I'm going to actually write my two sets of factors here. So I'm looking for factors that give me 5. Our B term is 5. So if I look over here, that's right there, 8 and 3. So 8 and 3 are going to give me 5. To find out which signs I'm going to use, remember the sign of the B term is always the sign of the largest factor. So since it's a positive 5, the 8, which is the greatest factor, will be positive. Since the C term is negative, that means I have to have opposite signs. I have to have one positive and one negative. So that takes care of the factoring. Now next I have DA. I'm going to divide by the A term. So my A term in this situation is 2. So it's going to be 8 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2. This is very similar to the one we just did, but we changed the signs. After you divide by A, the next thing you're going to do is reduce. So I'm going to come back over here and see if I can reduce anything. In this case, I can. 8 over 2 can be reduced to 4. I cannot reduce 3 over 2. So that's when I'm going to go to moving. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the denominator and move it in front. So 2x minus 3. So these are your final factors right here. X minus 4 times 2x minus 3. And that again is using MFDARM.